Let's talk vocabulary. What is a net? Net is short for network, and network refers to the connected components within the manifold block. In NetBlock 3D, users can use the Cavity Properties pane to color code different nets for an easy viewing experience. Once one cavity has a color-coded net, every cavity that connects to it will assume the same net. In a hydraulic system, nets house pressurized fluid. Within a net, equipressure is achieved. This means the force the pressurized fluid exerts is equal across all parts of the net. Thus, different nets cannot touch, and adequate wall thickness must be achieved between different nets, components, and manifold faces for structural integrity. If the force exerted by the pressurized fluid is greater than the force a wall can absorb, the wall will fail, and so will the hydraulic system. In this block, I've created very compact nets, which at first glance may look hyper-efficient. However, they are too close together to be structurally sound, so when we run a design check, we'll see a large list of errors that prevent this block from being produced. We offer checks of wall thickness at 5 mm and manifold face checks at 3 mm, but needs can vary based on the amount of pressure and materials used in the block.